In today's fast-paced world, navigating the ever-evolving landscape requires innovative solutions. That is the unmistakable sound of an AI on autopilot. The moment a reader spots words like tapestry or delve, they tend to pull back. These specific linguistic patterns flag the content as automated, which can cause trust to wobble. Instead of scrubbing these out by hand every morning, we can build a filter. It takes about 5 minutes to set up a workspace that prevents these cliches from appearing in the first place. To build this, you need a premium AI account, like ChatGPT Plus or Claude Pro, and the safe word list PDF. This setup shifts the AI from a generic text generator into a constrained assistant that follows your specific writing standards by default. We are moving past basic prompting. Instead, we are going to install a system-level rule layer that dictates the AI's entire vocabulary. Open the reference PDF and scroll to Part 7. You're looking for the Markdown code block. Copy the entire block starting from the skill header to the end of the section. This block is the engineering behind the system. It contains the instructions that define the tone, the list of banned buzzwords, and the specific plain-speaking replacements the AI is forced to use. This Markdown file acts as the primary constraint, giving you granular control over the words the model is allowed to choose. Now we need an isolated environment where these rules live permanently, so they don't interfere with your casual everyday chats. In ChatGPT, you'll create a custom GPT to access the configuration tab. In Claude, you'll start a new project to open the custom instructions window. These specialized workspaces function as the AI's memory. Anything you put in here will be applied to every single response generated within this specific folder or GPT. By isolating your writing standards here, you ensure they remain active without having to repaste your instructions for every new draft. Find the field labeled Instructions or System Prompt within your new workspace. Paste the Markdown text you copied from the PDF directly into this field. The system is set to British English by default. It will use UK spellings and follow the rule of avoiding the Oxford comma. To switch to American English, just type a quick instruction at the end of the prompt. The system will then prioritize US spelling and apply the Oxford comma. Once you save these settings, the AI is programmed to recognize and swap out generic vocabulary before it displays the output. To see if the filter is working, we'll test it with a paragraph of generic, buzzword-heavy marketing copy. Paste the copy into the workspace and give the command audit and rewrite this. As the text passes through the filter, the system identifies banned terms like cutting edge and dive deep. It then references the swap tables and replaces them with direct, grounded terms like advanced or look at. The resulting text is stripped of the most common robotic markers, providing a cleaner draft that reflects the plain-speaking standards you've programmed into the system. You now have an assistant that is specifically tuned to avoid the default chatbot voice. This environment can now be used to draft emails, sales pages, or blog posts that arrive without the usual layer of AI speak you'd otherwise have to clean up. For those using automated workflows, this same system can be scaled further. By using this rule layer in tools like make.com or N8N, you can apply these same vocabulary constraints to entire batches of content automatically. Controlling the language at the system level removes the tells that alienate readers, making it easier for your actual expertise to reach the audience clearly.